Hello lovely people, it's me Machteld from Daily Dose of Paper, and I thought I would show you a bit of the land and the cottage that I inherited from my mom when she passed this last December 1980. That is actually not the building year of this house. That was like 1920, but the roof in 1980 we all together changed the roof. This is the old part, and then this was built 20 years ago. But this is all the land, and it's beautiful. You can hear maybe birds. That's basically all you hear here. And behind those trees is another field, but that is totally covered in brambles. I'll show you. Here are also brambles, but this is, you can still walk here, but kind of through the high grass you can still walk. But on that other field there, you can't walk because it's like this high mountains of the bramble bushes. I hope I'm not making you dizzy, by the way. But anyway, I haven't been on YouTube for a while, and that's because I just have a lot going on, and I just everybody's busy, of course. I'm not the only one, but I just haven't found my focus yet, let's say, to actually come on to YouTube and talk. And I can show you a little bit. I have a video, I think, also but that's a long time ago already, of this is one of these fly curtains. This is it's my mom over there and my brother. Well, we're packing still a lot of books. Well, I don't know. It's just a lot. And this house is, like I said, very old, and it hasn't changed much ever since I grew up here. Now I want to show you, you can't see, no, because there's a big hedge in front of the house. But if you look out the window here, normally, oh, look, this lovely textile piece, not made by me, but behind the hedges, oh, you see, it's gonna rain. There's all these fields of flower fields, tulips and everything. But at the moment they're still bare. How do you call it? You just see earth. But there will be fields and fields of tulips and hyacinth and alum, well, all kinds. So anyway, I just thought it would be nice to quickly show this, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Hello lovely people, this is Machteld. Welcome to my channel Daily Dose of Paper. I hope you can hear me. Well, I just wanted to show you this garden place, like the land around the cottage or the house that my mom left me and where I grew up. And last time I showed, or in the other video, I think I will probably connect all the videos, I showed you what it was like with all the brambles, and it was just, you couldn't walk. And now they totally mostly cleared it. There were some trees that fell down, and they made nice wood logs, so I really like that. So you know what, I don't think I've ever walked here. Maybe when I was a really small child because it was just covered in brambles. I think this is a pear tree. Yeah, a pear tree. And there's an apple tree maybe. There are some fruit trees here. I think this is, sorry. This is the pear tree, yeah. And well, just taking you for a walk around the territory. Let's say, oh man, oh, I didn't know that this was all part of that land because it was just covered in brambles. Neighbors, I won't film them. And then it goes all the way up to here. Oh wow, man. Yeah. And then I haven't even decided yet what to do exactly with it. And but this beautiful view. Because the thing is, this is a lovely place, as you can see, but around all this sorry, I have a bad cold. Around all this land are many flower farmers and beautiful flowers. You see all the tulips that get sold, exported, hyacinths, callas, I think they're called, alums, all kinds of beautiful flowers. But the thing is, they use, of course, a lot of spray, poison basically, to preserve all the beautiful flowers. And so I don't know how smart it would be to start like your own vegetable garden here. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna, these are really old trees. I think underneath this one, our dog, one of our dogs, when I was, well, that was my brother's dog. My brother is 13 years older than me, so but that dog was buried there. Look what an incredible space. And you hear all the birds. I love that. That's basically all you hear out here. Yeah. So, and I'm going to have some parking space, let's say. I'll just walk around the house with you guys, because the thing is, sorry. Oh, heck, I see all these feathers. I think a bird got caught here by something, a cat, or when my mom was still here, I remember once I saw a little fox here. So this is the house, and I think I've shown you the inside. I'm not sure, but yeah, otherwise that will be another video. Sorry. Okay, over there will be parking space, and then this is the front of the house. See, here's a beautiful rose that's now starting to bloom, now that everything is cut, because it was, of course, super high grass everywhere. Hello. The neighbors are also working. That's the neighbors with they have horses. And then I'll show you all these fields normally are covered in flowers. I think they probably skipped a year. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So guys, if you were wondering where I was, this is what I'm trying to comprehend, let's say, for myself also, like what to do with it. Yay, fancies. Oops, I'm gonna take you in even and show you the shed. This is the, oh, here's the stairs going up to the attic, kitchen, and then here I wanna show you into the big shed. And this is gonna be definitely a main project for me, because this is where I wanna build my studio, as you can imagine. But you see, it's quite a lot of work still. Yes, but it's gonna be beautiful with like glass. This, oh, sorry, I'm a bit wobbly. There's gonna be a glass, yeah, wall, let's say, that you can open, and on that side also. Okay, a lot of stuff still. Yes, people. Well, then we go inside the house again. Here's the attic, going up the attic and into the house. And then I hope this is not making you seasick. What I always do if I watch like studio tours or with wobbly business, I make the screen smaller, and that helps me somehow. Yeah, the fireplace, and my mom with one of the roses. Yeah, well, and my brother. Okay, guys. I think this is it for now, and thanks for watching. And oh, sorry, and I will try to be back soon. But as you can see, yeah, this is what's on my mind now. And I love you all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.